So, how as a small builder, good morning everybody, how as a small builder can you use ChatGPT or any other AI platform to save you money today? Right today. So I was on site with a builder yesterday. Gas man, very direct, very, he looks like John Wayne, honest to God. The man, and he wouldn't mind me saying that, he'd take it as a compliment. Guy is a big, strong, muscular man, and he is ridiculously handsome, and doesn't like to be questioned about anything. And so he was telling me that all of this ChatGPT stuff is a load of FB. And we had a very funny conversation. And he said it's utterly useless to him. He'd never use it. He'd never do it. He didn't see the point in it, you know. So, and then he started talking about how he was overworked, and he was staying up until 12 o'clock at night to do the work. And I said to him, I put a price, I won't say how much, but I said, look, I'll help you sort the problem out, and I will get you materials cheaper. Anyway, we went back and forward and laugh, and it wasn't about me earning a quick buck from the guy. It was about facilitating. I said to him, I genuinely think if you give me a chance, give me a couple of hours and I'll come back to you. So within a couple of hours, we had a Zoom call, which is really funny because this man does not like technology at all. He still sends variations in handwritten form. Oh, he's absolutely awesome. And if you think that he's a man of my age, he's not. He's 32 and he's just, oh goodness. Anyway, so Peter and myself went through the process, and within a couple of hours I was able to send him back the materials to his job that he was about to start. He was about to do an extension in Foxrock and up in Hainault, and I was able to send him back a cost plan for the materials reductions, comparing his local supplier to that of other suppliers. And granted, they were not uniformly close, but that doesn't matter. He can save the deliveries and schedule them. And on the cost, overall cost of materials, I reckoned was about 142,000, and there was a possible savings of 20,000 by going to different suppliers around the city. And this may seem a little bit crazy, getting blocks dropped back from Balbriggan out to Foxrock, but if it saves money, it saves money. Doesn't matter where the blocks come once they meet specifications. So by putting that prompt into ChatGPT, I should say. Now I will say one thing, I have a business account, so that's probably why I was able to go deeper. And with a couple of more prompts, I was able to compare prices and come back to him. And his only answer was, now are you going to do that for me? I'm thinking, I don't have time for that. That's not my service range. But information is there, and protocol can, whatever about getting work, whatever about doing work, if the same material is available in different places. So what he actually did was he went down to his local chain of stores up in Sandyford, so that kind of limits it to 2, and he went into the manager and he made a deal with him. He went in with all of the information and he made a deal with him. So he was able to go in with all the live information in on all the sites. And the golden nugget, as far as I know, has never really been found. I know different people have tried to do the apps, what things are going to cost versus the cheapest. But the app doesn't necessarily need to be built. Well, I'm sure it'd be very useful, but the information is already available. So huge possible savings instantly. And what I really denoted to Peter was, if he takes those savings initially and he gets them into giving him more support, somebody instead of part-time, somebody full-time in the office, his life will transform. He'll stop trying to run the business and the projects and by himself completely, and he can delegate both of those sectors of his business to other people as well as to himself. Thanks, guys.